Alright everyone, this is Annette, and I'm here for another layout, and so my background is Hipkit Club's Flourish. Those are the chipboard stickers that are also Hipkit Club's Flourish. Oh no, sorry, this is August, so it's Simple Stories Sunkissed. And those washi tapes, I was going to use those on this layout, but I decided no. I use them on a different layout. So, that pocket is Paintbrush Studio Happy Blooms from the June kit. The die cut banner is Simple Stories Sunkissed, and the flower sticker is Vicky Boutin Color Study. And I'm going to use those clear mixed media stickers, which is from the Hipkit Club Flourish. That would be the July kit. I'm just trying to figure out where else I want to use it. I wanted to maybe use it 3 different places. God dang it, Theo. Scared the crap out of me. Why you gotta do that? Make such noises. There. Oops. I don't know what he was doing. So I'm using those chipboard frame stickers from July kit. It's their Flourish collection. Yes, Jax, can I help you? You want anything, my nip? You want anything, my nip? Yeah, you want anything, my nip? You guys are so stupid big, especially you, Jax. You're like a horse. 2 months old and already a pony. Yeah. He thinks he's the lap dog. He will be on the couch and he'll come and curl up on my lap. He can fit on my lap for now. Any bigger and you're not going to fit on my lap. Yeah. Yeah. And so then the die cuts. Max, stop licking my hands so I can scroll down. I'll do it this way. The chipboard frames, which I said, good times die cut and gold arrow sticker are Vicky Boutin's Color Study. And I'm just trying to figure out what else I can do as far as embellishing this layout, because it's so light on the embellishments and paper layers, because I did not want to cover anything on the background. So I'm like, okay, so that corner just seemed, it just didn't seem finished. So what I do is I take the wood grain paper from Hipkit Club's Flourish and I cut it in strips for journaling. And then I realized, hello, I had the pocket at the bottom for journaling. But that's okay. So I'm cutting my strips. I should work on my lesson plans for Monday just because now's the time to work on it because I can get it done versus doing it on the weekend. I just have to do lesson plans for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll go to school for Thursday, Friday, and have Saturday, Sunday, Monday off. I hate being out when my kids first come back because now they're going to have, they've so far had 2 different subs. I don't know who's going to be in there today or the 3 days next week. But I still got to take Potato to school on Wednesday and then come home, so yeah, so. And that I'm going to do some ink splatters just to kind of help complete it, and then that's all I do. Thanks for watching. Bye.